Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, March 7 to Saturday, March 13, 2021. These are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so we can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate total toothpaste, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. If you're doing this deal and if you're using the $3 off 2 Colgate coupon, make sure you buy the only Colgate Total or Colgate Optic White. Then you can use the $3 off 2 coupon. Buy 2 Colgate Total toothpaste, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. But make sure check which one is included. Use one $3 off 2 Colgate Total Optic White Sensitive Toothpaste digital coupon and use one $3 off 2 Colgate Total Optic White Sensitive Toothpaste digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $1.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $3.02 money maker. The next deal is if you have this 4 of $16 oral care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive or Optic White toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. It's on sale $4.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive toothpaste 6OZ. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6OZ. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Altogether, the totals come out $16.96. Use one $4 off $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 2 75 cents off Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use one $3 off 2 Colgate Sensitive Optic White digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 off 2 Colgate Sensitive Optic White digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $11.50. Pay or roll $5.46 and get back $5 ECB for Colgate Sensitive toothpaste and get back $5 ECB for Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. The final cost is free plus $4.54 money maker. The next deal is if you have this 4 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive or Optic White toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. And buy 2 the select Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive toothpaste 6OZ. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6OZ. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city. It's $10.38. But make sure you can check which one it's included. Altogether, the totals come out $28.34. Use one $4 off $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 2 75 cents off Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use 2 75 cents off Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on Colgate.com. Also, we have one $3 off 2 Colgate Sensitive Optic White digital coupon, and also you can attach with this deal $3 off 2 Colgate Sensitive Optic White digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $15.34 and get back $5 ECB for Colgate Sensitive. Get back $5 ECB for Colgate Max Fresh and get back $5 ECB for Colgate toothbrush. The final cost is only just 34 cents or 5 cents each. Check on Sunday if we get any manufactured digital or printable coupon. The next deal is select Colgate Optic White Total Toothpaste or Toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $7.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal 3OZ. It's $15.98. It's $7.99 each. Use one $2 off Colgate Optic White Renewal digital coupon. Use one $3 off 2 Colgate Renewal Total Optic White or Sensitive digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 off 2 Colgate Renewal Total Optic White or Sensitive digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.99 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is free. Check back on Sunday for manufactured digital and printable coupon. The next deal is Listerine mouthwash deal. Buy 1 Listerine Ready Tap Chewable Mint Tablet 8CT. It's $3.99 each. Use one $3 off Listerine mouthwash, floss or pocket packed CVS CRT. Use one $1 off Listerine mouthwash Ready Tap digital coupon. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. Check on Sunday if we have any mystery offer on Listerine. The next deal is Crest Scoop mouthwash deal. Buy 1 Crest mouthwash and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale to $3.99 each. Buy 2 Crest Scoop mouthwash 1 liter. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Use one $2 off $8 Crest Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Crest Scoop or Oral-B toothbrush Rinse CVS CRT. Use one $1 off Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. It's available on March 7. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $2.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplifier Eyelash Primer. It's $11.29. Also, you can buy 1 CoverGirl Eye Maker Eyeliner. It's $6.49. The totals come out $17.78. Use one $3 off $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one 75 cent off CoverGirl Lace Blast Mascara app only coupon. Also, we have one $1 off CoverGirl Lace Blast Mascara CVS app only coupon. The total coupon is $4.75. Pay or roll $13.03 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.03 or $3.51 each. Check on Sunday if we got any digital or printable coupon. If we got any digital or printable, then you can do this deal. Otherwise, you can skip this deal this week. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. Buy 1 Revlon Skin Light Highlighter. It's $12.49. Also, you can buy 1 Revlon Photo Ready Concealer. It's $11.79. The totals come out $24.28. Use one $5 off $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $4 off Revlon Face digital coupon and use one $4 off Revlon Face printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $11.28 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.28 or $1.64 each. The next deal is Wet n Wild Cosmetic deal. Spend $10 on get back $5 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. Buy 2 Wet n Wild Fast Dry Nail Color. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Use one $4 off $10 any Wet n Wild cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is NYX Cosmetic deal. Spend $10 on NYX Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one NYX Butter Glow Sleep Care product. It's $10.98. It's $5.49 each. Also, you can use one $3 off $10 NYX Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $4 off $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Use two $3.50 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. It's limit 4 per coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Sure or Brute deodorant deal. Buy one Sure or Brute deodorant and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $2 each. Buy one Brute or Sure deodorant. It's $2. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care deal. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $11.68. It's $7.79 each. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $7.68 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.68 or $1.34 each. Check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. The next deal is Pantene Head and Shoulder or Herbal Essence deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner 17.7 to 20.1 OZ. It's $15. Use one $2 off $10 Pantene shampoo or conditioner CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off 3 Pantene shampoo digital coupon. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $10 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $5 or $1.66 each. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or Refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Venus Woman Razor. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $5 off $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Gillette or Venus Razor CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Gillette Venus printable coupon on coupon.com. They have limit 1 per household. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. Check on Sunday if we get any digital coupon. The next deal is select Silk Razor deal. Spend $15 on Silk Razor and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $8.99 each. Buy one Silk Woman Institute razor. It's $8.99 and also you can buy one Silk Man Hydro Silk razor. It's $8.99. Altogether the totals come out $17.98. Use one $3 off $12 any Silk razor CVS CRT. Use one $4 off Silk Woman razor digital coupon. Also you can use one $4 off Silk Men razor digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 on household item and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Tide liquid 92 OZ, it's $11.94. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pot 21 to 35 CT is $11.94. Also, you can attach with this deal Persil laundry detergent 40 OZ, it's $5.99. The totals come out $29.87. Use one $3 of $12 any Tide or Tide Pod CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. It's available on March 7th. Use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. It's also available on March 7th. Also, if you have $2 of Persil detergent CVS CRT, the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $18.87 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $8.87 or $2.95 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $30 on household and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. The totals come out $31.93. Use one $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. It's available on March 7th. Also, if you have one $3 of $12 Tide Pod CVS CRT, the total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $8.93 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.07 money maker. The next deal is food deal, Arizona tea deal. It's on sale 4 for $2. Buy 12 Arizona sweet tea, it's $6. Use one $1 of $5 any beverage purchase CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5. The final cost is only just 42 cents each. The next deal is just the basic water bottle deal. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy 2 just the basic water 24 pack, it's $5.98. Use one $2 of 2 Big Chill Gold Emerald or just the basic 6, 12 or 24 pack CVS CRT. Use one $1 of $5 all beverage in the cooler CVS CRT. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $2.98. The final cost is only just $1.49 each or for 24 pack of water. The next deal is Select Trident Gum Deal. Spend $6 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 4 Trident Gum 14 CT, it's $5.96. It's $1.49 each. Pay or roll $5.96 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 74 cents each. The next deal is Cadbury Mini Egg or Hershey's Easter Single Candy Deal. It's on sale 2 for $2. Buy 2 Cadbury Mini Egg 1.5 OZ, it's $2. Use one $1 of 2 instant coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on March 7th. Pay or roll only just $1. The final cost is only just 50 cents each. So friend, check on your message CVS Extra Care. We have the Epic Beauty sale, it's back. I got in the morning today $4 of any facial care item. Or you can check out my Instagram. I post small deal on there, or you can search up Super Cool Couponer. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.